how to get unlimited free messages on CrushOn.AI. So if you want to get unlimited free messages on CrushOn.AI, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, search for CrushOn.AI, and then tap on it. After opening, you need to just go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you will have a bonus option. You need to tap on bonus. As you can see, you will have that bonus option. Tap on it. And it says that you need to log in. So I've not logged in yet. So you need to just tap on login and log into your account. If you've not created an account, then you just need simply go with create account and just confirm and accept and create one account. Select a Google account and then your account has been created. Now go with the 3 horizontal lines and then tap on bonus. Now you have to complete daily task and collect the rewards. As you can see that I don't have any points yet because I've just created my account, but you need to have points. You can just scroll down and then you will find all of these daily conversations or rewards for daily check-in or daily view memory. You need to just go and complete those tasks and complete these special tasks. You will get some messages that you've collected some coins or some stones. So basically you just have to complete daily task and then go to redeem and collect your free messages. This is how you can get your free messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.